My question, Mr. Chairman, is to Dayan because of his statement that I'm not questioning Espinosa, I'm questioning Dayan of his... sa akin pa po yung timeline, Mr. Chairman.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Tinatanong ko si Dayan at doon sa sinabi niya na doon lang sa cellphone, sabi niya wala siyang number. Tapos inamin niya, binigyan siya ng si Dilima nagbigay sa kanya ng number at pangalan. So may number siya. Tapos tinanong ka, may number ka? Wala. Wala, mayroon. So ano ba talaga? Tinanong ka kung sino pang mga drug lords na nagbigay sa'yo ng pera, si Kerwin lang, which is from Albuera, Leyte. Taga rito ka sa Maynila, imposible wala kang koneksyon dito sa Maynila. Nakakapag-rekomenda ka nga ng tao dito sa Maynila Anong masabi mo dyan?
I believe, kaya natin sinasabi na ina-assume kasi na nagsisinungaling si Ronnie Dayan dahil ina-assume na nagsasabi ng totoo si Kerwin Espinosa. Pero is there a possibility, Mr. Chairman, na pareha sila nagsisinungaling? Na ang totoong nangyari lang talaga is yung picture taking sa Burnham Park na ginagawa ng kwento ni Mr. Espinosa. And we have already proven the inconsistency dun sa testimony nilang dalawa. Sinasabi niya binigay yung pera sa loob ng High Ace, Grandia. Dito naman, nagkabutan. No, pumasok siya according kay Espinosa, nandoon sa transcript.
Mali. Yung High Ace tumabi doon sa kotse nila, Kerwin. At nilawit lang yung bag ng pera. That's the truth.
Okay. Well, anyway, we can check the transcript. Pero ito yan, ito no, Senator Gordon, just to enlighten you again, doon sa testimony ni Mr. Dayan sa House of Representatives, doon sila sa parking lot ng hotel. Ang si Kerwin, ang sinasabi niya, doon sila sa parking lot sa Burnham Park. So, pwede natin pilitin. Ano? Alam nyo, no? You can see how the mind works. Nung kay Mr. Matobato, nag-miss siya ng 1 year, glaring inconsistencies. Pero ito, talagang nagkabuhol-buhol na, pero kailangan nating pilitin nagsasabi ng totoo si Kerwin. Pero yung kay Chief Inspector Espinido, what does that make of him? Kasi sinasabi ni Kerwin Espinosa, it was through Chief Inspector Espinido, which he denies, and Mr. Dayan denies. So kung ganyan din lang, Mr. Chairman, edi sila yung i-contempt natin. Dahil ako, I believe, Mr. Chairman, itong mga ito ay na-pressure lang to come up with these stories, pinipilit magtahi. Okay, just to cite an example, Chief Inspector Espinido, dito sa Blue Book mo, kompleto na ba ito? Kompleto ba ito ng lahat ng nilalagyan? Based kay late Mayor Espinosa.
Sa ano po, Your Honor?
Yung dito sa Blue Book,
Kompleto na yan.
kompleto ito. Walang nakalitaan dito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala, sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nandito ba si Senator De Lima? Sa Blue Book?
Sa pink book lang.
Sa Blue Book, tinatanong natin. Sinabi mo kompleto na eh. Nandito ba si Senator De Lima sa Blue Book?
I will check that again, Your Honor.
Okay.
Then meron ako dito para makasiguro naman ako, Your Honor, sa kadami
Oh, sige.
ng mga list na.
So,
Senator Trillanes,
Yes.
with all due respect, we have an order to follow.
well,
Because I allowed you because you said that you were going to make a manifestation, but you are now questioning the witness
Okay.
or the resource person. So I think you should wait for your turn.
yes, Mr. Chairman. I'll just go back to my point earlier na we're about to deprive a liberty of a person, dadali natin sa Muntinlupa as amended by Senator Soto. Sa akin, baka bigyan naman natin ng konting konteksto. Ina-assume natin na nagsasabi ng totoo si Espinosa eh. Yun lang naman ang dito eh. Okay, assuming talagang nangyari nung campaign, November 2015, pumunta ng Burnham Park si Senator Dilimac, sa Burnham Park nag-picture taking, but what does that tell us? Nothing. Nag-picture taking. Ngayon si Mr. Dayan, sinabi niya, nag-split na sila February 2015. Walang nag-resign na sa DOJ, how can he still be?
What is the pleasure of Senator Pacquiao?
Dahil siya lang po talaga ang pinagkunan ko ng pera, sir. Wala na po iba.
There's a pending motion. Excuse me, Senator Pacquiao. There's a pending motion and there's an amendment to the motion. And ulitin ko, the chairman asked earlier kung mayroong objection. And since I haven't heard any objection to the motion, then I guess we'll have to... I'll cite first the specific rule. Ito yung Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation, Section 18, Contempt. A. The chairman, with the concurrence of at least one member of the committee, may punish or cite in contempt any witness before the committee who disobeys any order of the committee or refuses to be sworn or to testify or to answer a proper question by the committee or any of its members, or testifies falsely or evasively, or who unduly refuses to appear or bring before the committee certain documents and or object evidence required by the committee, notwithstanding the issuance of the appropriate subpoena therefore, etc., etc.
So, walang nag-object. Mr. Dayan, naintindihan mo ba ang binasa sa iyo?
Your Honor, may we be allowed to explain what the good chairman just read?
Please
Okay.
explain to him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, while waiting for the explanation, I believe ready na si Chief Inspector Espinido. It's very much relevant to what's happening.
Teka muna. Tawagan mo lang mamaya pagdating term.